Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix in 4K. Now, to watch Netflix in 4K, you first want to go into your account like I am right now and hover over the account on the upper right hand side. Now from here, click on your account. And the first thing is that you want to go ahead and click and manage membership. Click and change plan and you will see your current plan. As you can see right there, even from the previous screen, I'm currently on the basic plan. So when you go to the manage membership and click and change plan, you will see that the current plan, which is a basic, does not allow you to watch in 4K, only 720p, while the standard plan allows you to watch in 1080p and the premium plan actually allows you to watch in 4K, right? So you will be able to see these different things, right? And you can check this for any one of the profiles that you're currently in. So this is the same for all of the accounts. So if I go to another account like I am right here and I go to manage, you will see that this is the same. So this is per your account and not per your plan. Now, once you're inside your channel membership and you go ahead and you change it to, for example, a premium plan, you will see the amount that you'll be paying per month, and that allows you to play Netflix in 4K. Now, once you upgrade to premium membership, the next thing that you want to do is to go back and under any one of the accounts that you wish, just simply click on profiles on the lower left hand side, select a profile, for example, scroll down and you will see playback settings. Click on playback settings, and if you scroll down, you want to ensure that the account where you see data usage per screen, ensure that you select this to high. Don't leave it in auto, select high, so each time your Netflix will have the best video and audio quality, and it also allow you to get playback in ultra high definition, or it will allow you to playback in 4K always. And that's pretty much all that you have to do. Once you do that, click on save. You can start watching Netflix on any device, your TV, your phone, your laptop, or whatever. You'll be able to watch back in 4K resolution as long as the device supports 4K. And that's pretty much it.